First, engage the automatic header height control function on the zone D of your armrest. Once the red light is on, the automatic header height control is working. Set your cutting height point 1, cutting height point 2, and cutoff level. In this example, the first cutting height point is set to 15 centimeters, while set point 2 at 5. To switch between the two set points while working, you have to press the activation of the automatic header control on the joystick. The selected height will turn the indicator on the second quarter green. Press the button once to move the header to the first set point, in this case at 15 centimeters. Press it once again to reach set point 2. Press the button once again to get back to cutting height 1. Remember, just a single click on the button will switch the header between the two different set points. In the header settings page, you will see the blue column on the gauge moving vertically until the programmed set point is reached. To lift the header completely to the cutoff set point level, just press the button twice. The header will automatically rise. You can also set your automatic fill pressure mode. Just set cutting height 2 at 0, and the header will automatically use the fill pressure mode. You can monitor your cutting height status from the header settings main page, or from the Info Plus menu window, or from the top right quarter below the header icon of the combined silhouette.